Hello friends, my name is Amasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic sprint retrospective. Friend, today's topic is very important with respect to Scrum framework and agile methodology. If you are using the Scrum for managing your software project, so this is a very important topic. So let's start, friend. First of all, I will request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. What is sprint retrospective? Friend, the first of all, see sprint retrospective. Sprint is a 3 to 4 weeks time period in the Scrum framework in which we have to deliver few tasks or deliverables to the customer basically. So, or we have to complete the user stories. And this is the main purpose of the main concept of a sprint is a 3 to 4 week time period. Now, what is a sprint retrospective? The purpose of the sprint retrospective is to plan ways to increase quality and the effectiveness. The Scrum team inspects how the last sprint went with regards to individuals, integrations, process, tools, and their definition of done. Inspected elements often vary with the domain of work. Basically, friend, whenever we complete any sprint, we after completion of the sprint, the Scrum team to sit together, they evaluate their performance, that how they have completed the sprint, what went well, what goes wrong, and what was the performance of their team, overall their team performance. So friend, basically in the sprint retrospective main questions, first of all, what went well in the sprint. Okay, normally after completion of a sprint review, like whatever the task have been completed, we do the sprint retrospective. Main questions during the sprint retrospective session is that what went well in the sprint, what could be we can improve, and what will be we commit to improve the next sprint. So basically sprint retrospective is a session after once we showcase our work to the customer, and we do the sprint review meeting. After that we do the sprint retrospective session. In that session, the product owner, Scrum master, the Scrum team, they sit together and they evaluate their performance by themselves, that what went well in the sprint, how was our performance in that in particular sprint, and what the things which we can improve, and what should we commit to improve in the next sprint, what are our mistakes, what are the things which we should have to improve in the next sprint. A sprint retrospective, the Scrum Master encouraged during the sprint retrospective session the rest of the Scrum team to improve its progress and practice to make it more effective and enjoyable for the next sprint. During each sprint retrospective, the Scrum team plans ways to increase product quality by improving work progress process or adopting the definition of done if appropriate and not in conflict with the product. By the end of the sprint retrospective, the Scrum team should have identified improvement that it will implement in the next sprint. So basically, friend, in the sprint retrospective, we evaluate our performance. We do the analysis that what went well, what goes wrong, and we try to lesson learn that what are the mistakes we have done in that sprint and what we could achieve in the next sprint. So that is the main concept of sprint retrospective. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.